Amy. Or Annie. Hi, VJ Nikki. Finally, nakita ko na rin kayo ni Kuya Billy nung pumunta kayo dito sa Iloilo for ASAP Rocks. Yes, that's right. Nako, sa mga taga Iloilo, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpunta. Sobrang bongga talaga. As in, punong-puno talaga. So, very bongga. At dahil dyan, balita ko ay mauulit daw. Pero sa ibang bahagi naman ng Pilipinas. Sayang nga lang kasi hindi kita na-meet, but I got the chance na magpa-picture with Kuya Billy. That is so perfect! Siguro nung mga panahon na yun na nasa loob kami ng mga dressing room, melting. Grabe ang bait niya. Carry lang. Sana next time, ikaw naman, or much better kayong dalawa. That is right. Two is better than one. I truly heart mix and I absolutely heart nibby. From Amy, thank you very much, Amy, at congratulations at na-meet mo na si Billy Joe at sana nga ibalang araw tayo naman ang mag-meet. Sabi ni Grace, hi VJ Nikki, ang sarap mong panoorin. I just wanna greet my super crush na si Jay. In fairness, gets ko yung term na super crush because when I was younger, I would rank my crushes. Merong mga crush na parang, crush lang, masabi lang na marami akong crush. Tapos merong mga crush na medyo nasa gitnang level. Tapos merong mga crush na talagang back to the highest level. Yun yung super crush. Yun yung mga panahon na yun talagang umi-effort akong magpabango. Angel's breath. Ninuko. at powder, polvo. Parang oily. Put like that. Lapsap powder. Baby powder. Yan yung pala pag may mga days na, kunwari may computer class kami ng crush ko, tapos siyempre kakatabi mo siya, effort. Okay, anyway, I really miss you. Jay, sabi ni Grace, I heart mix. Bongga! Thank you very much, Grace and Amy, for texting in. And of course, we have batch 2 later on. In the meantime, here's Hanging Habagat by Champ at number 8.